Hello, this is Jan with Blues Bird Toys again. I have two toys here I'm going to show you. First is the Brick House Bell. This is the larger one. It's only larger by the cup size. Has two stainless steel nuts. This is on a 3.4 millimeter thickness O-ring on the chain. Has washers and rings and has a tag inside for the clapper. So it sounds like this. So it's a nice little tune. And then the other one, which is for the smaller birds, is the Brick House Bell Small. This is the Brick House Bell larger. So that's about the difference in sizes. They're not real big. So this one rings a little differently. And it has a teardrop shaped stainless steel for the clapper. So that's it. Thank you.